Hi, this is Coach Eichel. I'm back and I'm bringing you another podcast. This time we're talking about synthesis reactions. A synthesis reaction is the same thing as saying a combination reaction. You're going to combine your two reactants to make one product. Okay? Combining two to make one. So on our first one, we have Mg plus S. Well, on your examples I give you in your packet, I give you the first example as being a magnesium oxide. Well, since sulfur and oxygen are going to be in the same family, they're going to react the same way. So Mg plus S is going to give us a magnesium sulfide. It says once we do that, we got to balance them. Well, this one's already balanced because we have an Mg and then we have an S, so it's already balanced. The next one, we have an H2 reacting with an O2. This is going to be your example number 2, in which you have a nonmetal plus an oxygen. So in this one, the simplest thing it's going to do is it's going to make water, H2O. Now let's make sure it's balanced. We have two oxygens going in, we only have one oxygen coming out. Let's put a 2 here. Since we put a 2 here, we got 4 hydrogens total, so we got to have, on number 3, we have a metallic oxide mixing with CO2. So we have an Na and an O and a CO2. The easiest way to do this is it's going to form an Na2, Na2, CO3. So it's going to form sodium carbonate. And if you look at it, it's already balanced because you got 3 oxygens coming out. You've got 3 oxygens going in, 2 Nas, 1 C, already balanced, ready to go. So we're mixing a metal with oxygen gas, which is going to create some kind of metallic oxide. So AlO2. The kicker on this one is you got to balance out the charges when you flip it. So you're going to have an Al, we know we're going to have aluminum oxide. Okay? Well, since aluminum has a charge of a positive 3 and oxygen has a charge of a negative 2, it makes more sense just to flip the charges. So you're going to have 2 Als, which is going to give you a plus 6, and you're going to have 3 oxygens, which is going to give you a negative 6. So we got everything's balanced out. Now let's check the coefficient to see if we need to add any coefficients. We only have 1 Al coming in, but we have 2 coming out. So let's put a 2 there. We have 2 oxygens going in, but we have 3 coming out. So let's put a 2 here, a 3 there because we're doing the least common factor. So that means we have to go back, we have to erase this 2, and we got to change that 2 to a 4. Everything should be balanced. Our last one, we have again, a nonmetallic oxide with a water. So we got SO3 plus water is going to give us H2SO4 or sulfuric acid. It's going to make an acid when you mix a nonmetallic oxide with water. I hope that made a little bit of sense to you. Again, you just got to read those 6 examples that I gave you on your worksheet, and you should be able to put this together pretty easily. This has been Coach Eichel. As always, have a great day.